Today I want to discuss some of the feedback I get when I call customers after we replace windows and doors. First, they give us a lot of compliments on the crews that install it, but I think one of the things that they appreciate the most is when our crew leaves, they have nothing to do. Any pre-finishing, any finishing of trim on the exterior, interior, any of that stuff, we have the capability of doing in-house. So when we're done, we leave, and we don't leave you with staining, painting, taking stickers off windows, any of that. We don't leave you with any of that work. And I think that's one really good reason to look at Buresh Home Solutions for your window and door replacement. Since all of our work is backed by a lifetime workmanship warranty, you know we're here to support you if anything does come up. We do not offer a 2-year labor warranty and then charge you if you have issues 4 years later. That's just not how we operate. I believe it'd be worthwhile to give us an opportunity to look at your window and door replacement project.